Hello friends, welcome to one more video on your favorite channel Exam Prep. In this video, I am going to talk to you about investor certification examination which has been launched recently and it is conducted by NISM. The best part of this exam is that everything in this exam is free. So you have a golden opportunity to acquire knowledge without paying anything. Well, this particular exam is conducted online. You get online material also, and you can prepare and write the exam at your own convenience. But even before I talk about this exam, let me tell you who should ideally write this exam. So if you have done a very advanced course in finance, say MBA finance, then I feel that this may not be the course that you want to go through. Well, there is still no harm in going through it. You may refresh your knowledge and enhance your understanding in some areas which may not have been covered during your post-graduation finance days, right? But apart from those who have expertise in finance, others who want to build basic understanding of financial market, trade life cycle and related areas can definitely attempt to write this exam. Since this is without any cost, there is no harm in attempting it anyway. What does this exam cover? Okay, this exam will help you to develop a foundational understanding of basic concepts of finance, which includes savings, investments, budgeting, inflation, etc., which you can see as the point 1 on this particular slide, right? So you can see it here, which is listed as the point 1, right? Information about various government schemes. You can explore the structure of securities market, which is also listed here, right? Know the role of stock exchanges. That's very interesting, especially for the beginners. Okay, and you can also get to know about risk, which is very important if you want to know about financial markets, because the two key terms in financial markets are risk and return, right? And they can also there is also a scope for you to understand the importance of due diligence, ethical behavior and transparency in investment practices. So basically this particular examination has got good set of concepts. Even though they are at basic level, they are good to know concepts and you must try that, right? So how can you write this exam? Okay, so let me tell you, to write this exam you need to go to NISM's website and log in, okay, through your email ID and password. In case you have not registered yet on NISM's portal, then you can open a new account, which means you can click the option of new account here, which is mentioned here, right? And when you click this, you will see a page opening where you can go and register the details. So you will basically see something like this: candidate registration form. So you go and fill the details, the relevant details. The details asked are much more than what you can see on this screen, but I have put this screen in order to ensure that you can immediately connect to the form in which you are supposed to fill the details. Please do not forget to keep certain things ready with you. Which are those things? You must have scanned copy of PAN, which should be in JPG format. It should not be more than 1 MB in size. Scan copy of your photograph, your proof of residence or proof of address. You can keep your Aadhaar card ready, educational qualification and employment details, right? All this should be readily available with you. First three should be in image form and others should be as part of the details. So who needs all this? The person who has not yet registered. Those who have registered can log in through the screen that I showed to you, and once you log in you will get to see something like this under your enroll for this examination. Okay, so basically within practice exam, if you see below this, you will find enroll for SEBI investor certification examination. So once you click on that, okay, you will get an option like this where you can select this button, okay, and proceed to testing center selection. So when you click on this, okay, what you will come across is something like this. So mode of payment, there is no cost, it is online, you can do everything online, and then you can proceed for exam time selection. So you can decide which day you want to select. Because it is an online exam, you can write it from your residence. There's no need to go to the center, okay, and you have multiple options to write this exam in terms of time slots. You can write the exam on Sunday also, that's the best part, on a Saturday also. So when I searched for it, I found that these slots are available. So you can see this is for June month, but you have so many slots available with number of seats. So basically you can select one convenient slot, okay, which will be useful for you in terms of writing the exam, and then you can start writing the online exam on that particular day. So having said this, let me take you to the next slide, where you can see that once you do the registration and complete it after selecting the slot, you see that fee is 0, you get a time slot, and you get testing center address, which is basically any place, your home, office, NISM center, anywhere you can write this exam from. So that makes the exam really convenient and easy. Okay, now once you have registered for this exam, what happens is you get two material PDF files which can be downloaded easily. The first file is about financial education, and it's called as financial education booklet. So that would be your first file. So you can download this. I've just put the screenshot, so you'll get the PDF version. You can open and you can go through the file, right? Now the second document or the file that you would get is about securities market understanding from the investor's perspective. So both the files can be downloaded in your machine, right? And you can read that, and then you can attempt your exam. I know that you will have some kind of inertia, or you may say that, oh, I have to do all this. Can I get the material without doing all this? Yes, you can get the material. How do you get the material? If you want the material, which is the PDF file, please write to me on healthofmywealth@gmail.com. I will try to send it to you within 48 hours after I get the mail from you, because there could be multiple requests. But this comes at a cost. And what is the cost? The cost is that you have to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Well, that was just a joke for you. Even if you do not like and subscribe, I will still be sending it to you. But in the end, I just want to say thank you so much for your valuable time. All of you have been encouraging me by subscribing to my channel, by liking the videos, and putting positive comments. I hope this channel is adding value for you. Please continue to visit the channel. Thank you so much once again.